ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Hello! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Andito na naman ulit tayo sa Lakay Tambayan Music Lovers. Hayaan nyo at bibigyan ko kayo ng inyong paglibangan. Kakantahan ko kayo para matanggal ng konti ang inyong mga stress at pagod sa request ni Madam Maris Bangog Laman Obre at saka si Antonia Baby Orsua, a Boulevard song. I don't know why you said goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever, my love. Please tell me why you make me cry. I beg you please, I'm on my knees, if that's you want to me. Never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that boulevard. Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again.